Blessed Tuesday everyone, it's July 23, 2024 and it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na dumating doon sa buhay natin at syempre pasalamatan natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials and mga pagsubok and challenges which makes our life beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At huwag natin kalimutan mga pasalamatan din yung mga marites dyan sa tabi ng buhay natin. So shout out to kay Glenda, kay Glensno, kay Pucci, kay Margie Craig, kay Cecil Boris, kay Mama Lou, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasin again, Oro City, Melody Acosta, J.M. Pangilinan, at kay Ruby Cortez, Jima David, Ine Araso, I.D. Villamero, Rachel, Lyraisa, Rachel Pastolero, at kay Eds My Love, and syempre, sending out love and healing to Elizabeth Guevara, Hi Beshi, and Mabel Andres ng Croatia. Ripples of the day natin po is, in this world and time of attention seekers, hypocrites, and selfishness, learn to love without expectation nor prejudice. Give yourself that opportunity, that chance to heal and be happy by taking care of others and respecting others. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Tuesday, everyone.